Hello, in order to set up the fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit and go to lock screen and AOD, then choose screen lock type, enter the password for your screen lock, and then in biometrics we can set up the fingerprint by tapping on this switcher. Keep in mind that you will need to set up any of these screen lock types in order to be able to use the fingerprint. So let's tap on the switcher, then press continue, and of course the fingerprint sensor is located on the side button or power button over here, and we need to put our finger on the button. We don't have to press it, just touch it. So once you touch it, you want to lift it off when you see that the percentage goes up. And of course, while scanning the finger, you want to try to scan as much of your finger as possible. So rotate the finger, place it in different angles until you have 100%. And there we go. Once it is done, you can set up another fingerprint if you want to by choosing Add. Of course, we can set up the same finger twice just to make sure that there are no issues in the future with detecting the finger. Or you can press Done in order to finish the process. And now over here, we can enable fingerprint always on or turn it off as well. Let's press Done. And that's pretty much it. So if you go back to the same settings, you can now tap on fingerprint in order to turn it on or off. In addition to that, we can also go back to the settings and go to security and privacy. Now over here we can choose biometrics, fingerprints, enter the screen lock password, and you have all settings related to the fingerprints. We can also add another fingerprint over here. We can check added fingerprints and so on and so forth. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.